Yet again, another good morning. I wasn't gonna fish today, not only because of the morning meeting, but because of the hole in my waders. So I ordered some new ones and they were gonna arrive today. So I wasn't planning on fishing, but I couldn't sleep. I have a friend who's going there who's gonna reserve the spot. So I figured, hey, what the heck? Why not give it a shot for an hour or two? See what happens. Last line of this card. Fish on. Да. It's okay. Аккуратно.
GoPro's on.
Oh yeah.
Wow, nice.
Може, ще не готова.
Okay, I'll wait.
Опа. Я зараз її upriver, і куди вона піде вниз, то ти сачок.
Я сачок.
Uh-oh. Опа.
Right in the mouth. Прямо в бок.
Да. Опа. Thank you.
Good job, Alex.
Woohoo.
So nice, so nice. Поверни до мене головою. О, так, клас. Ей, щука.
Все?
Да, давай, чекай, я ще відео знімлю, як тут.
Тече.
О, мало.
It's okay.
Готова ти риба? Щось я її замучив.
So I am home now. It's about 8 a.m., just a little bit past 8 a.m., and I deleted my outro on accident. Had a good quick session, fished for just shy of 2 hours. I wasn't gonna fish because of the report card, which I got a new one yesterday, so I'll be able to fish for the whole year or until I fill it up again. Also, I was worried about the whole waders thing, but no waders, no problem. Shout out to my friend Alex, who helped me with the net, helped me with any snags, or basically any reason that I needed to get in the water. He gave me a hand. Caught one fish, and it was a good buck. You know, he got tangled up in my net though, so when I released him, it took him a while to get revived, but I saw him swim away, go into the current, so all good there. Basically just a good quick morning session. It was dumping rain when we got there, and it was dumping rain when I left, so that's why I left. Maybe I would have stayed a little bit longer, but it was just really cold and wet and I had to get to work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next time. Happy Wednesday.